Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel, and it is officially Bakemas Day 1 and I'm so excited about it. And so for today's video I am going to be showing you how to make some lemon sugar cookies. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, and so the things you will need to make these lemon sugar cookies are flour, baking powder, some salt, 2 sticks of room temperature butter, some sugar, 2 eggs, some lemon juice and some lemon zest, and some vanilla extract. And I'm using a stand mixer today, but if you don't have one, no problem, you can definitely use a hand mixer. But let's get to making some delicious cookies because I am so ready. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our flour and our baking soda and our salt, and I just have a pinch of salt with just some baking powder and just give that a good whisk. Okay, that is well incorporated, and now we're just going to set this to the side for now. Okay, now we are going to take our room temperature butter and put them in our mixer with a pedal attachment. And we are going to mix this together and just cream it till it's nice, light, and fluffy. Okay, so that is nice and smooth. And next I'm going to add my sugar. Okay. And then we are going to mix this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I just had this butter and sugar mixture going for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. So have it pretty low. Okay, my eggs are well incorporated now. I'm just going to scrape down these sides of the bowl just to make sure everything's nice, well, and incorporated together. Okay, I went ahead and scraped down the sides of my bowl, and now I'm going to add my lemon juice with my lemon extract. And this is, of course, going to make it the lemon and the lemon sugar cookies. I'll give that a little mix. Okay, so I just added my lemon juice and my lemon zest, and now I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Okay, so our mixture looks good, and now we are going to add the dry ingredients, but we're going to do a little bit at a time just so we don't get a big old mess all over the kitchen. So just do a little bit at a time till it's all well incorporated together. Okay, so I just added my last bit of flour, so I'm going to give it one final mix. And as you are adding your flour, you want to make sure that you're scraping down the bowl between additions. That way everything's nice, well incorporated together. So one final mix and then scrape the bowl. Okay, our dough is all ready, and you'll find that it's a little sticky. So what I'm going to do is put some plastic wrap over it and pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour so it can solidify and it can come together, and it'll be easier to work with as a dough. Okay, so it's been about an hour to an hour and a half, and I pulled my dough out. I ended up having to add an extra cup to a cup and a half and just molded it around, just kneaded it just until it's a nice, good, solid ball of cookie dough, just like this. And so what I'm going to do is flour my surface a little bit more. And then we're going to roll these out. Okay. And actually what you can do is take a bench scraper, because this actually does make a lot of dough. You can just put this to the side for now. And now I'm just going to take my rolling pin and now we are going to roll these out to about a 1/4 to ½ an inch thick. Okay, so I have my dough rolled out, and now I'm going to take a 2.6 inch cookie cutter. You can use any cookie cutter you want. You can even just not use a cookie cutter and just use a cookie scoop, however you prefer. And so I'm just going to make sure I coat my cookie cutter in flour just so it doesn't stick. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to take off the excess. And now I have a cookie sheet right here, and so I'm just going to gently place them on the cookie sheet. Okay, so now I'm going to pop these in the refrigerator just to chill one more time before we pop them in the oven, because if you do it while it's warm, that's when your cookies spread. So you want to chill your dough one more time. That way they can also keep their shape if you decide to use a cookie cutter. Okay, I just pulled the cookies out of the refrigerator. They've been chilling for about 10 minutes. And so I'm going to pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Just keep your eye on them. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. I went ahead and let my cookies cool down, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. You guys had so much fun making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for Bakemas Day 2. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye. I'm gonna eat a cookie.